How can ancient protein preservation help your modern meal prep? Imagine discovering a way to keep your favorite proteins fresh and tasty for much longer without spending extra money. Sounds like a magic trick, right? Well, it's actually based on ancient techniques that have been used for thousands of years. Ancient protein preservation refers to how certain foods and biological materials can stay stable over long periods when stored in specific conditions like cold, dry, or low microbial environments. These methods helped people survive long before refrigeration was around. By understanding how these natural preservation methods work, you can apply them today to make your meal prep more efficient and budget-friendly. Proteins are different in how they react to heat, moisture, and microbes. For example, collagen, which is found in bones and skin, is very stable because of its structure and mineral content. This stability helps it resist breaking down over time. Ancient preservation often involved drying or curing meats with salt, which reduces water activity and stops bacteria from growing. This is why dried meats like jerky last so long without refrigeration. These techniques are simple, low cost, and perfect for bulk storage, helping you save money and reduce food waste. Salt curing and fermentation are other ancient methods that preserve proteins. Salt draws out moisture and creates an environment that microbes hate. Fermentation, on the other hand, uses beneficial bacteria to naturally preserve foods and even boost their flavor and nutrition. These processes need minimal equipment and ingredients, making them ideal for anyone on a tight budget. Knowing which proteins can withstand heat and storage is also helpful. For example, bones used for broth contain collagen that slowly releases nutrients when cooked over time. Using tougher cuts of meat or bones in slow cooking is a smart way to stretch your dollar while getting plenty of protein. Long-term storage techniques like keeping proteins in cool, dry places mimic ancient environments. Drying meats or storing dried fish in a pantry can keep them edible for months. This reduces reliance on refrigeration, which can be costly. Ancient people also used resourceful methods like using less popular cuts and byproducts. Bones, skin, and milk proteins were all used to make stocks, cheeses, and fermented dairy. Modern cooks can do the same by making homemade broth from bones or slow-cooking tougher cuts of meat to extract maximum protein at a lower cost. Incorporating preserved proteins into your weekly meal plan is easy and saves time. Dried meats, salted fish, and fermented dairy products can be prepared ahead of time and used in various dishes. This means you can grab a ready-made protein source without extra cooking or shopping every day. By applying these ancient preservation principles, you can extend the shelf life of your foods naturally and cheaply. It's a smart way to keep your meals nutritious, flavorful, and budget-friendly, all while reducing waste and making the most of every ingredient.